Yes, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Saan man sulok tayo ng mundo, ano? Pag-usapan natin yung sinasabing na disband yung security group ni Inday Sara noong February 10, ano? Hindi tamang disband. Kaya nga, ang Pilipino tuloy, ang maka Duterte, ay nataranta dahil nga nawala ng security according to Manila Times ba yun nagpalabas. Hindi disband ang tawag doon, deactivated. Deactivated. So sabi nila kinakawawa ang mga Duterte. Matagal na nga kinakawawa ang Duterte. Kaya nga ang administration ngayon ay ang focus kasi nila politika, hindi economic. So sabi nga nung ibang narinig ko na sa edad kong ganito na 80 years old, 70 years old plus, ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng ganitong klaseng pamamalakad o pamunuan. Talagang matindi. Malaki talaga ang problema ng bansa dahil kung sino-sino lang ang nagpapatakbo ng ating bansa, yun ang problema sa totoo lang natin sa bansa natin, ano? Hindi lang kay Duterte o hindi sa lahat ng Pilipino tayo naapektuhan. Nakapokus lang kasi tayo sa Duterte, ano? Pero kung tingnan mo in overall picture, malaking problema kasi nga walang nagmamanage, walang namumuno sa atin ng tama. Ang sabi ng iba, laging umiikot si Pangulong Marcos, isa media yun isa media. Dapat ang media kasi magiging patas. Okay yung sinasabi niya, pero yung kabalbalan ng Marcos, hindi nila nililitaw. Kaya itong mystery media, ito yung kung tutuusin, ito yung malaking kasalanan sa taong bayan. Malaking kasalanan ng mystery media sa taong bayan. Kasi noon, ang tinatakbuhan natin noon, mystery media. Ngayon, mga vloggers na ang tinatakbuhan ng karamihan. Paano? Okay. Pakinggan natin yung na-research ni John Macanas, para makita ninyo.
Dinisband o dine-activate ng Armed Forces of the Philippines ang Vice President Security and Protection Group. Balita yan ng Manila Times kaninang umaga. Ito, ang Philippine Star nag-post 9 minutes ago. Ito, nagpaliwanag ang AFP. Just in. The Armed Forces of the Philippines says it reorganized the Vice Presidential Security Group into the AFP Security and Protection Group in February as part of rationalization and streamlining efforts via Christina Chi. Ito yung ipinos ng Philippine Star. Ito na yung paliwanag. Basahin ko. On the reorganization of the Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group, the Armed Forces of the Philippines clarifies that the Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group was not disbanded, but rather reorganized into the AFP Security and Protection Group as part of our rationalization and streamlining efforts implemented in February 2025 as approved by the Department of National Defense. This administrative adjustment was undertaken to unify security and protection operations. It ensures the continued, uninterrupted, and robust protection of the Vice President within a more integrated and optimized framework. It is worth noting that the BPSPG was only created in June 2022. Prior to this, Vice Presidents were secured by the Security and Protection Battalion under the AFP General Headquarters and Headquarters Support Command, with no dedicated military security group. As such, the current setup is a more efficient and effective way to ensure the safety and security of the present and future Vice President. The AFP likewise appeal to some of our fellow Filipinos to avoid spreading false or misleading information. We enjoin our kababayans to use our communications platforms to promote unity, peace, and understanding, and not to sow discord, hatred, and division. The AFP remains fully committed to the safety and protection of the Vice President and all key officials of the government. Yan ang paliwanag. So, sino ang may kasalanan kung hindi totoong na-disband? Yung Manila Times. Doon sa balita ng Manila Times, nakakuha sila ng kopya ng General Orders number 196 dated February 10, 2025, nang nakalagay sa dokumento, deactivated or disbanded na ang Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group effective February 6. So, ano ba yung document na yon na nakuha ng Manila Times? Totoo or fake? Dapat sagutin nila ito. Kasi kung totoo, yung General Orders 196, talagang na-disband. Nilagay man doon sa kompleto yung balita ng Manila Times na yung AFP, anong tawag noon, na ilagay din sa balita. AFP, ito, AFP Security and Protection Group. Inilagay din ng Manila Times na itong AFP Security and Protection Group, ito na yung magbibigay ng protection kay BP Sara. So, ibig sabihin, yung balita ng Manila Times, tama, in consonant, parehas dito sa clarification ng AFP. Ang problema lang, kung mayroon sanang sense of transparency, inunahan sana ng AP ang pagbalita tungkol nito para hindi mag-assume ang mga tao na pinipresecute si BP Sara. February 6 pa na disband na ang Vice Presidential Security Group at kinalatan ng AFP Protection and Security Group.